Your boy Tony from Cali. I'm out here at the NAB show. This is day, what, 3?
Yeah, this is day 3.
This is day 3. I'm out here.
Ask my feet.
I don't even know what that feels like because I already have a mobile vehicle. You already know that.
I see that. I see that.
So what do you think about this, my broadcaster? It's called the broadcaster.
Well, I'm taking a look at your broadcaster here, and first of all, I'm pleased to be a bro. Anytime I can be classified as a bro, I'm ready to go. I'm a brother.
That's what it is. That's what that means.
From another mother.
A brother on a budget. So what I use,
it.
I don't use always GoPros. I use BroPros. Those are the knockoff. Those are the knockoff cameras that come from China. And they work. They're 1080p. Yeah. So I use a lot of those, and normally now I'm using a couple webcams too. If you notice, I have a webcam here.
Well, you know what? You just need to turn the camera around at some point and show the audience exactly what you got running here, because you got yourself a piece of machinery that's got everything on it that any broadcaster would possibly want. You got your mixer down there. You got your monitor station on your handlebars. You got your camera here. You're ready to go.
That's all you need nowadays.
If you put a handle on this thing, it would be a complete portable broadcasting facility. I'm telling you that right now.
Thank you. That's what I needed to hear. I didn't even want to bring it because it's not really ready as far as what I said. You know what? I use it every day, so why not bring it? This is the Broadcasters Convention, and I'm not a broadcaster. I'm a broadcaster. I just want to let you know that.
I'm very pleased
I'm a
to
broadcaster
be a fellow broadcaster.
I haven't made it to the television circuit yet, so I'm just broadcasting on the internet.
Well, you better be live streaming this or putting it up there.
We're live streaming it. We got it on Facebook. We got it on YouTube.
Getting back to Maryland, I'll be checking it out. All right.
All right.
Thank you so much.
HBTV, Tony from Cali, Channel 63, and we out. Thank you, man. Get some pictures. Get you some pictures. All right. Now we're gonna go with the big guy here. Now we're over here with Rushworks. I'm over here with Rushworks, and this is let me turn this down for a minute. I'm over here with Rushworks, and this is HPTV bringing it to you live, Channel 63, broadcasting, not broadcasting, but broadcasting because we gotta air it later. That's why we say broadcasting.
I got you.
And this is my main man, Cam.
Yes.
Like a camera.
Yes, actually. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Tell me what you guys got.
All right, this is our Remo ISO tower. It's a portable production system. It's got a handy case with a little trolley so you can tow it around. Okay. We usually do a separate case with a few cameras in it, like a Pelican case with the foam. It'll do full production system.
Oh, this case is for this?
Correct.
For the screen?
Correct. Yeah. Wow. This is what has all the inputs. This will actually record up to 12 cameras simultaneously. We also have the slightly smaller version called the Uber remote, and that'll do 4.
Are the outputs on the other side of the case?
Correct. It's all on the back.
We're gonna take a look at that.
Yeah, no problem. And so right now we're showing 2 cameras, PTZ cameras up top that we're controlling. And so it's a touch screen. You can just touch the preset. The camera will go right to it, and then it'll put it on air if you have it in full auto mode. We've got independent layers for crawls, bugs, any graphics overlays. So you can also capture playback video, and it'll also stream right out of the box.
So this is basically a live switcher with the tracking system built into here?
The tracking system is actually attached to this one, but it is an add-on that you can get for any of our camera control systems. Okay. And it's got the infrared LED cameras, so it could follow him around with
it's got 3 LED infrared cameras.
Right.
Now this is basically your switcher, though, right?
Yeah, this is everything. Okay. All the production, audio controls, video controls, graphics overlays, and one guy can really do it all. Capture the whole thing and stream the whole thing live if you want to.
Okay. What are we looking like for the switcher?
For the price?
Yeah.
Yeah, we start at $74.95 for our 4-input model. Okay. The portable one is $79.95. And then you can pick just about any PTZ camera. We control most.
So the larger one over there is $79.99.
This one actually has 8 inputs. Yeah. So it's a little extra.
Okay.
But the 4 inputs starts
at $79.99.
No, this is the big guy.
Oh, this is the big guy.
Yeah. Okay. This has the 12 inputs, multiple SSDs, so you can capture 12 cameras simultaneously and the Pro camera out, just in case you want to edit later.
That's true.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking at now. What I'm looking at, a portable switching system for my broadcaster. We were talking about the broadcaster.
Yeah. How many cameras do you need? Because
I don't need 12. I say 4. 4 is fine.
4. So that would be this guy right here. Yeah.
Okay.
The Uber remote. And we just got to pan right over.
Pan here. I don't have a tracking system
yet.
So I got to do it manually.
Yeah. So similar touchscreen to the other one, but of course this is a lot more portable. It weighs about 14 pounds, so shouldn't use too much power. And
I like that. That looks nice on my system.
Yeah.
I can actually see using that. Are you guys going to be doing any demos, or maybe are you guys going to be doing any loaner systems for like 30 days or anything like that?
I'm just a technical guy. You have to ask the sales guy. Rush is of Rushworks, the owner, and so he'd be the guy to talk to.
This would look good on that.
I can hear it.
Going around town doing some Vegas switching some shots.
Couple PTZs.
Yeah. Oh,
Super
I don't think
cool.
Want to do that though.
Super
I
cool.
don't know if I want to put those on there though. Those are the smaller ones. I've seen those, but I didn't know they were that big though.
Well, this is the big one. The Sony that we're looking at right there, that's about as big as it gets. But yeah, there are some smaller ones. There's a new one that we just started working with that's a little bit smaller.
I would use some smaller ones.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
This is a broadcaster.
And it's going to lose less. It's going to use less power too if they're smaller.
Yeah, because
so
I need to know if I can.
You can only put so many batteries.
12 volts or 5 volts or whatever we're going to
Well,
run off.
they are 12. There are 12.
12
So
volts.
yeah, the only thing that you would be a concern is the computer power supply. But this will run off 12 volts. All the cameras will run off 12 volts.
Okay, so
no
let's
problem.
talk about this system right now. How much would this cost me if I wanted to purchase this system today?
Without cameras, it's $79.95.
Okay.
So
And
that's
I
the
can use
variable.
Composite cameras, composite. Or
Correct. It is composite or SDI on the same
SDI.
connector.
That's kind of weird.
And
you
then
would think you would think it would be HDMI and SDI.
Well, it's auto sensing on one connector because composite's on the BNC and SDI's on the BNC, so that makes it real easy.
I don't want to use composite.
I hear you. But it also has the analog balanced inputs, so you can come right out of your mixing board and feed that, so you got all your controls right in front of you.
Okay, now let me ask you, what kind of transitions or effects do you have with this? Do you have any chroma key or anything built into this?
All the regular stuff, dissolves, wipes, and all that stuff. And then there's also double box shots, so you can do, like your interviewer in the corner and your guest big, yeah. And then there is chroma key, and I think that's all of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fades? Any fades or anything?
Fades, variable speed dissolves, and all the standard stuff you'd expect.
And this is all touchscreen, basically.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
Is this your own proprietary tablet?
No, we actually found this. It's a nice compact. It's one of the smaller 1080p touchscreens, so that we could fit the full user interface on there. And it's very reasonably priced. As I said, it runs on low voltage. So
is it just a touchscreen or is it a tablet?
It's not a tablet. It's just a touchscreen.
That's
so
interesting.
yeah, it's a really thin, lightweight one, and which makes it perfect for the portable systems.
Can you hold
Oh,
on
sure,
for a minute?
sure.
Let me check this out.
Yeah.
Is it anything apart, but
Yeah, it's just the cables are all tied in, so it looks as nice as possible. But it is pretty small.
G-check?
Yeah. E-chic or E-chick.
Oh, what's the G for?
Oh, sorry.
G-check?
Yeah. G-chick.
G-chick, okay.
I'm glad you're here because I'm colorblind.
G-chick, okay? That's tight. But like I said, I'm more interested in the whole shebang here. This is some of your literature right here?
Correct.
Okay. Let you know that.
Yeah, that shows our 3 different user interfaces. Each system you can run in any of the 3 modes. You just simply select the mode in the config and restart the application into the other mode. So we've got one for like really easy use when you've got fixed people. It's kind of object based. And then there's the mode that we looked at here, which is 9 presets per camera. Okay. So if you have 3 PTZs, you have 27 presets. You got 4, you got 36. That's a whole lot, and you can save banks too. So you could make different settings for different locations. Okay. And this one here is mainly for like education or seminars or things. So you have your scan converter from your computer, so you can see PowerPoint and things like that.
Right.
So it's not as exciting, but
it does have
it's
a
informational.
scan converter built into the system.
We use the one from Data Video. It's a little HDMI or VGA to SDI.
Okay.
And so that way you can bring just about any computer in.
Okay. So is that optional? I mean, that's something you have to buy.
Yeah. And we don't care which one you use. It's just if it outputs SDI, we're ready to go.
So it's basically like you said, VGA to SDI or whatever.
HDMI or VGA to SDI.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. I don't think I'll be doing too much PowerPoint. I'm more or less interested in switching live. What I'm looking at with the broadcaster. I'm grabbing my mic back again. What I'm looking at with the broadcaster is basically being able to have a thin tablet, or like you said, or touchscreen right here that pops up, because right now I got my laptop here.
Yeah.
So my laptop actually
press the cables right in.
Right. My laptop fits up here, and when I'm getting ready to stream and to go live, that type of thing. And I'm looking at this unit. This actual unit could be mounted in the back somewhere, or it could be mounted underneath or in the front, very easily.
Plug your cameras right in the side.
Plug it right in. And are you guys selling these at the show, or you got to go online?
Yeah, Rush handles sales, and so we've got about a week or 2 lead time. So you just let us know which system, because just about everybody wants something a little different. They want a scan converter, or this person wants 4 cameras, and so we do build
This
suit.
is like your tower right here.
Yeah.
And then this is your portable unit.
Yeah.
Now, what's the difference on these two again?
This one will do up to 12 inputs, simultaneously record them all. This one will do 4 inputs. You can record them all on this one too. You can record all 4. But it takes a lot of work.
You're saying all 4 signals can be recorded?
Simultaneously, and the output. So just in case you need to edit later. Or if you have one mounted on the back of your broadcaster, you're not sure if anybody's following you. It's just a thought. Just a thought. Little security.
Everybody's doing it now.
Yeah,
They're recording all four
ISO.
tracks.
It's the way to go.
ISO, yeah. Okay. All right, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, Mr. Cam. I'm gonna let you help these gentlemen. This is the bro. Oh, one other question. What do you think about the Broadcaster?
This is pretty sweet. It looks. I didn't know until you said you got built-in karaoke too. That's amazing.
Built-in karaoke, a
Here,
little bit of everything.
party on a cart.
Party on a cart. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. All right.